All right, so the question was, I don't know how to graph when it's not y equals. So the little trick here is, trick, whatever, but it's in function notation. The f of x is the y. So if you want to think about that as a y, again, you've got, this is a piecewise function, and there's two halves to it essentially, and it's based on the domains written there. So one function is y equals 4x. And that's where x is less than or equal to 0, so the left side of the graph. The other function is y equals 7. And that's where x is greater than 0, so that's the right side of the function. So it's a matter of figuring out which side matches up. So, well, let's talk about the first thing I said, right? Y equals 4x is on the left side of the function, and it stops at x is less than or equal to 0. So that part should have a solid, the closed circle, the closed point. So if I look at the left side, all right, I got sidetracked there. So again, y equals 4x is on the left side of the equation. So if I look at just the left sides of each of the graphs, the left side there, its slope is negative, so that's not positive 4x. On this one, it's horizontal, so that's also not a positive slope. For C, that part is going up, right? That is y equals 4x. That has a slope of 4, and it goes through it hits the origin. And again, when x is, since it's less than or equal to 0, that's why it's a closed circle there. And then the right side is y equals 7. So the right side of the equation, from the point where x is greater than 0, that part on the right side is a flat line at 7. And then it's an open circle at 0 because it was just greater than. So the answer for this one is going to be C. So try out your question. Let me know if that helps. Reach out if you still have questions.